ate an apple, crunchy and sweet. B bounced a ball down the street. C cut a carrot, chop, chop, chop. D dressed a doll in a pretty pink frock. E ate an egg for breakfast time. Ho! Flew a kite that soared so high. G grabbed some grapes, juicy to eat. H is for hugs, warm and sweet hugs. I went ice skating, glide away. J is for jump, jump in the air. Learning the alphabet is fun to share. Goal. Go, Kay! Ding, ding, dong. We are nodding all day long. We love the letter N. Ready for a story? Today we are reading The Alphabet Adventure. It all started when A met B by the big oak tree. P is for paint. Let's make some colorful art. Q quacked like a duck. Quack, quack, quack. R ran in a race on a running track. S sang a song, la la la. S is for sun, shining bright for everyone. We love the letter S, yes, yes, yes. Ta-da! Hoda! Playing in the rain with my blue umbrella, I'm happy once again. Alphabet train, we're going to the zoo. We'll learn our letters, me and you. Xylophone, ting, ting, tide. X marks the spot in our alphabet song. Oh dear, look at me. Yawning makes me sleepy. Zoom to bed, good night.